Hello friend, myself Nayan Mandal, your tutorial guide for BSNL franchisee MIS. Now today we will explore the BSNL franchisee MIS that has been provided to us for enhance the business. In case we have the facility of Viv with us. Now the URL that has been provided to us is bsnleast.fmis.co.in. So what we need over here is the browser, any browser that we are using, either it is Safari or it is Chrome or other any browser that we are Edge, IE, Internet Explorer, whatever it is. So right now I'm using Chrome over here. So as I have told you earlier, this URL is bsnleast.fmis.co.in. So this particular URL will be used by BSNL East Zone franchisees only. This is applicable for BSNL East Zone franchisees. Now the one question that coming in our mind is that who are the possible user who can use this particular web page. So as BSNL has three categories, number one is master franchisee, then we are having sub franchisee and then retailers. So BSNL team has already given the instruction that this is a fully operational for master franchisee as of now. After the popularization and the use and the utility, the feedback that franchisee gives, then it will BSNL team will provided it to the next levels. So presently it is solely given to master franchisee right now. So now in order to carry out the login, we need certain credentials. So what credential we need in order to log in this particular page? So things are very pretty over here. Sign into your account. The requirement are your CTOP of mobile number and MPIN. That means MPIN means the secret code and CTOP of number. Master franchisee CTOP of number and MPIN number. So this in first glance what I found, it is nice, fresh and very clear. This particular page is all about. So now let us put the CTOP of number. So this is my CTOP of number. I have given over here the MPIN. I have given the MPIN now. So let us see. Yeah, it is fast as well. So what we found, we are landing to a page, service page we are landing. So before going further, I will just tell few things. This what I found, a banner, a very good banner which can be brought and which can be again minimized. So nice thing over here, BSNL is given their hot denomination right now. This is STV bundle denomination. So this is a very good thing. If new things are coming, this new denominations are coming, if the denominations are getting changed, so BSNL team are putting all this thing over here. So very nice. Now in right side corner again drop down menu is there, change MPIN and logout option is there, name of the franchisees they are giving, and over here the information whether what category we are having, we are getting that particular thing, whether EPIN, whether it is regular, DSA, PCO, these options are coming over here. Very nice. Again, rather than that, we are having the balance of the CTOP of wallet balance we are getting, CVP wallet balance we are getting, and these things are coming. The BSNL logo at the left side, what is the status, I have logged in, I mean online, so they are showing that one. And again logout option is also at the bottom right left hand side corner, it is there. So nice, it is a very fresh clean work. BSNL team has done it very good, very nicely they have did. And this particular page, I think it has been supported by Team Pyro. Nice work Team Pyro and BSNL team, both of you have did a marvelous job. Now let us move to the other options that has been provided over here. This is okay. Now few options are given, that is dashboard, services, self-care and reports. These are basically the four options that they are giving, broad options what I am saying. So we are having dashboard. Now I have clicked on the dashboard. Okay, what I was saying and what I want to convey is that it is really fast. Now over here in this particular dashboard, what I have found, there are 6 tablets 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These are 6 tableaus, and each and every tableau is very important, friends. Number 1, it is showing the total sales. Number 2, it is showing total commission. Number 3, it is showing a stock purchase, and number 4, it is showing CAF commission. The sales analyzation in the 5th tableau and the 6th tableau is showing the top performers of my team or of my chain of or your chain. It will show for your chain actually. Now what is total sales? Over here a view has been given what the total sales has been carried out. Now what is this MTD? I have asked BSN team, I have asked Pyro team what is this MTD, and they have come with the full form of this MTD is month till date. So whatever transaction I have did from the first day of the first month and day of the month and till the day I am checking, that means from 1 to 19 how much transaction has been done by my chain and myself, the entire thing has been given. Then the last month what was the total transaction carried out by my chain and the self, it has been depicted. Similarly the total commission, stock management, stock purchases, and the CAF commission. So this is a overall view of the entire business that has been carried out. Nice. Then what we are having a sales analysis of 12 months, 1 year sales analysis is been there. It has been depicted in barcodes. We have 3 barcode colors barcodes we are having. One is C-top of blue, the CBP it is red, and then yellow, or you can say it is somewhat orange color in landline. So now this okay. Now what if we are just taking our cursor or our pointer towards the top of this particular bar, then it is showing Jan C-top of 10,398. This is the amount that transaction has been carried out for the month of Jan. So this is very nice, it is very handy, and at a single glimpse we can come across that whatever transaction has been done for that particular month for that particular category, whether it is CBP, whether it is C-top up, or it is landline. So that this shows that BSNL also bringing landline over here, therefore they have put this option. And top performer, who are my top performer, these are coming over here along with their merchandise or amount they have sold in the market or they have liquidated in the market. So in short what I found, it is information of myself for a month, for the last month, for the commission that I have got, for the purchase, for the total commission, CAF commission, and my performance all together. Now this is very good. If I want to know in one go that what was the transaction or what was the amount of transaction that I have carried out for this particular month, and whether I have received that particular freebies that BSNL is providing, we can come and we can simply coordinate with the concerned team and we can have that particular thing if you haven't got. So amount is with us, we need not have to call anywhere, all the information we can gather from here itself only. So nice. Let us move to the second option. It is the service that they are providing. Now under service there are 5 options. First one is C-top up, then that is CBP, sell and bill payment, postpaid bill payment, then they are providing stock management, bulk recharge, and recharge reversal. So sorry, stock movement is there. Now let us go to top up option. Now what is this top up option is all about? Okay, this in a glimpse what I found is that over here we can carry out the normal transaction. Before that let me check, they are showing the balance over here, whether this balance is current, there it is shown in current time or not. Okay, now what I found friends, this is current time balance that BSNL team has provided to us. So this is very handy, this is very nice that we need not have to go to the stock management option in our sim and check the balance. So if we are logged to our this FMIS page, we will know what is the current balance we are having in both the stock wallets, actually both the stock wallets. So nice. So let us do a test transaction over there, whether it is happening or not. Let us check it. Let us check this thing. So now 250 rupees is there, I have to put the MPIN. So now let me check whether it is happening or not. Okay, now what I found is that this transaction is happened. I have received the message and amount has also been deducted from this particular place. So this is real time and it is happening. This is very good options from that means C-top up. C-top up option is used to do transaction, prepaid transactions can be carried out from here. We can do recharge, top up and STVs can be carried out. Very good. Now let me check what is the stock I am having here. It is 230 and they are showing the current balance or the current stock of the C top up SIM. So it is very nice. Let us check with the second option what is there, what is stored in there. Okay, it is CBP, that means cell one bill payment. Let me check it with one postpaid number 943 9433 Let me check with this. This is postpaid number of mine as well. Yeah, it is absolutely, this is the balance that I am having right now that I need to pay to BSNL 1217. It is absolutely okay. Now this is again a very good thing, that you need not have to know the balance of the customer that is coming. If you ask for cross verification, you can just ask what is your balance, what amount I have to pay for you, and you can cross check this thing. This is very nice thing. And as already stated and updated by BSNL team, that in postpaid bill payment, what we have to, there must be stock in our CVP account first of all, otherwise we can't do this, can't pay out the bill. And second thing is that we have to pay the exact amount, or we have to pay excess of the amount, we can't pay less amount for this. So this is very nice thing. We need not have to know the bill. If you are putting the number, the bills are coming. Let us try for one, whether it is working for roaming or not. Let me check it up for you and check it whether this properly working or not. So I have given a number of Northeast. Okay, so friends, we can do roaming postpaid bill payment from this particular URL as well. So it is giving us n number of options. Okay, it is getting changed also. Okay, let us take one scenario where I am putting a prepaid number. So this is my prepaid number. Let us check what is showing. Okay, so this is the restriction. They have given this restriction as well, that you have entered an invalid number. So this they are not taking, rather than postpaid number they are not taking. Let us check once with some other operator number what is happening. Let us check. This is one operator's number. Okay, so they have restricted that also. That is very nice. If you are putting any other operator numbers, if you are putting prepaid numbers, these are not taking, they have checked it very nicely. So overall what I found till now, the entire FMIS is very nice, very handy, very clean, and this can be used for our business purpose. Now let us move to the third option, rather what is stored for us. Let us check. It is the move stock, stock movement service. Under service it is. So let us check whether this stock movement is happening or not. So it is, we can have both the stock moved, C top up and CVP. Let us take a retailer number on which we can move the stock, and let us check what is happening. Okay, before that let us okay, what we are doing. Okay, I am putting a 10 rupees stock movement. Let's see, we have to put an MPIN. Now given the MPIN, let's check what is happening. Okay, it has happened. Very nice. Amount has been deducted, and I have received the SMS as well. So both the options are working very fine. So stock movement is also working. So if our SIMs we have swapped the SIM, and somewhere my SIM is not working, SMS is not working, so we can use, franchisees can use this particular URL, this web page, in order to move the stock. Very nice. Now let us move to the other option. It is bulk recharging. Now bulk recharging itself, it is saying we are coming soon. So BSNL team has not introduced till now. So on the feedback, I have discussed this thing with them. So when they are introducing this one, so what they have sold after the feedback that we franchisee give, then they will give us this particular option. Now what kind of a facility that we are going to get in this bulk recharge? We can carry out multiple recharges in one go. So once it is coming, I will definitely put this tutorial once more. I will update this tutorial for all of you, and we can enjoy this particular thing. Now rather than that, what are other options we are having? It is reversal. Now what kind of reversal can be done? Okay, this is very handy. I would like to tell you regarding this reversal option. What we can do over here is that we can submit our reversal request through this particular platform to reversal server, the thing that we are doing from SMS. We are typing rev space then blah 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 things we are typing, and we are sending it to 58081 for the reversal. So if our for sub franchisee or retailers are doing any type of wrong transaction, we can put here the entire thing. Now see, if we have to put the transaction ID and the detail will be provided here, so we need to put mpin and we need to select go. So what will happen, the reversal will be submitted and the amount will be reverted. So this is very nice thing. I will show you once more what we have to do. This is, we have to click here reversal, then we will get this particular dialog box where over here which is written transaction ID. The transaction ID was 841526 transaction ID that I have carried out for 20 rupees. And now see what I found. See, this was the number from this master number or the source number. This was the transaction 20 rupees, and this was the balance during that time. Date of transaction is cool, destination, expiry date and before date, whatever. So it is also taking IN details from there. So we have to put the mpin and we have to go. We have to submit to go, and this will be reverted. Very nice option in service. We have explored till now. What I found is very handy and very nice. Now let us move to the self care. Now if we want to see the transaction status, okay, now if any transaction has been carried out through this option, we can know whether the transaction is successful or fail. So as I have told you, I have did one transaction. Let us check whether transaction is successful or wrong or not. So it is success. See, this is very nice. We need not have to call to the call center if our retailer or some franchisee is calling us and asking us whether this transaction is okay or not. If he is giving us the transaction ID, we can check it from here itself only whether the transaction is successful or not. Let us check with subscriber. This was a subscriber, and let us check whether it is working or not. Go. Let us. Okay, it is asking about the date. I am putting 18 to 19th. Any transaction is there or not. Let us check whether it is giving or what it is giving altogether. Okay, it is self-care. Under self-care it is transaction status. So one thing what I found, everything they have given in a very proper and a very nice way. Okay, the transaction, okay, nice. Everything is coming over here. How many transaction has been carried out, whether it was successful or not, what are the amounts. There are three, and even we can export it to Excel as well. So it is good, very nice, very handy. Everything is coming with the transaction IDs as well. So nice, very nice, very good. Now let us check the other option. What is this check stock is all about? Now check stock. Okay, we can check the stock of the our sub franchisee, retailer, POS. Okay, now okay, I am getting the stock. It is 198 rupees 70 paise. So in the morning we need not have to call to BSNL team and can ask, sir, give me the stock of this particular number. What is this all also about? Is new, something new they are giving. Okay, what is this? Let us check it. Let us check this. Okay, it is awesome. It is pretty awesome that we are getting right now the C-top of stock as well as the CVP stock of my entire retail chain in one go, and even we can export this one. Let us check whether we are able to export this particular thing or not. Over here, serial number, agent name, in which name the particular C-top of SIM is, what is the number of the agent, agent type, whether what type of agent he is a franchisee, retailer, or what type of retailer he is, his stock balance, and let me check whether this is current or not. Okay, now we can export in Excel sheet as well. Let me check this Excel sheet, what the data is coming in this. Sorry friends. So yeah, so it is giving the entire thing that we need, and we need not to be very much expert in this, and we can check the balance that our team is having or we are having all together. Very nice. It is really amazing, really amazing. Okay, I don't want to save this one presently. So very nice. I will show you this thing once more. Check stock, go to check stock, then we can take it separately or we can take it on one go. I think every one of us are going to use this particular option in order to increase our business. So at the morning or at the evening or any time of the hour or any time of the day, we can know what is the stock balance in our franchisee's number and in our retailer's number. So we can push our sale. Very good option. What is this? Reset MPIN. Okay, now we can change the MPIN our retailers as well. Very good. Let us check whether it is happening or not. Let me check it whether it is happening or not. Okay, submit it. Oh my god, I have got the message. You will not believe I have got the message right now, and this is awesome. This is pretty awesome. So we can change the MPIN of our retailer and sub dealer as well. So this is the other option that has been provided. Very nice option which we were wanting. So we need not have to now be in call center line and this and that. We can do all these things. So few things which are very pretty good. What I found is, number one, the top-up transaction, the stock movement, and then the reversal. Rather than that, this MPIN change, self-care in MPIN change, and I can even check the transaction that has been carried out by my retailer and what is the current stock they are having. These are pretty awesome. These are pretty awesome. Let us check what is there in what team has provided in the report. So over here it is a sales report, stock report, and the commission report. So what is the sales report? Okay, for all this one, top-up sales report I can have, CVP sales report I can have in detail and summary. So again, it can be fetched in amount wise, it can be fetched in mobile wise. Date we simply need to give it in dates. That's all. So I think let us put 17 and 17. If he has done any kind of transaction, if I have done any kind of transaction, it will come up. So okay, it will take time or what? No, it hasn't taken any time. The transaction has come. It is very fast. Very good. The transaction, these are the two numbers, DOP category, departmental or post, and this is very handy. If anything is going wrong, if within the category that you are a regular and your sub-franchisee or retailer are in, suppose like this DOP, my master franchisee is in EP and these are DOP, we can directly coordinate with BSNL team and we can change this thing. So we can get a proper category wise and proper chain is maintained. Very nice, very handy. Again, this can be exported. What about the stock? Okay, now over here what I feel, okay, stock, okay, what my retailer has taken, what the chain has taken the stock, that can also be depicted from here. Nice, very nice thing. What they are, stock movement, this is the stock purchase, this is consolidated detail. Okay, give me a detail of my chain. So things are very nice, very refined. Things are coming very fast. Okay, I haven't purchased any stock, therefore it has not provided. So if I'm going for chain and if I am showing what is happening, let me check now with 3. Okay, this is, I want for a detail whether what is coming. Let us check this one. Okay, chain, okay, it is came. It is real marvelous. So now this stock report is also coming. If you want the stock movement, as because that was a retailer and there he can't do a stock movement, it has not came. So choose dealer, all dealers, self and chain, consolidated, detailed. So everything is coming in stock and now in commission. So this is very simple, that commissions report will also come. So I have discussed this thing with BSNL team and what they have said, you will get a report of sales, stock and commission 1 day back. Of that means we will get the report for 1 day back, 18th. So anyhow, I would like to congratulate BSNL team that after a long time they have come across with such a good thing, such a good portal through which we can carry out transactions. We can carry out, in fact we can carry out both the transaction, both type of transaction, top-up as well as CVP. Now landline is also coming. More than that, we can do move stock, we can carry out the recharge reversal. Under self-care we can check the stock, we can change the MPIN. Now the best part what I found is the dashboard, a handy thing on which we have got everything in one go, where we are able to know the total sale, total commission, stock purchase, cap commission, what is my stock balance of CTOPUP, what is my stock balance of CBP wallet, and entire thing, my three best performers or five best performers. So it is really handy, really nice. Good work, BSNL. Thanks for this particular wonderful web portal that you have designed. We hope for your support, friends. Thanks for watching this particular tutorials, and for any query you can catch me in my Facebook account, or you can just mail me in nayan.mandal1982@gmail.com. I am always available in order to help you in this. I am signing off. For any queries, please do let me know for this thing. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening or good night.